Welcome, fellow travelers, to a world of vibrant sights, tantalizing smells, and unforgettable experiences. I am speaking, of course, about the magnificent kingdom of Thailand. Imagine stepping off a plane into the warm, humid embrace of Bangkok, the city's electric energy buzzing all around you. You can almost taste the spicy tang of street food, hear the gentle chimes of temple bells, and see the brilliant colors of tuk-tuks zipping through traffic. From bustling markets to serene golden beaches, Thailand promises adventure at every turn, but haggling rides in the rain and fumbling unfamiliar cash, it is all part of the experience. Until now. What if the digital world in your pocket connected seamlessly with these streets? Bangkok, Phuket, or Pattaya? A fascinating new development is making that connection real. Today, September 25, 2025, a quiet revolution is rolling through Thailand. A pioneering taxi company is looking beyond cash and even credit cards. It embraces a digital currency built for everyday people. Are you ready to pay for your Thai adventure with a currency that lives only on your phone? The future of travel payments may have just arrived. Now, you might ask, what on earth is Pi? It is a marvelous question with a refreshingly simple answer. Pi Network is a digital currency, with a twist. Unlike power-hungry predecessors, Pi is designed to be accessible to everyone. The creators put crypto power into ordinary people's phones, a bold, democratic approach to digital finance. Most of us already use digital payments. Tap your card, use Apple Pay, use Google Pay. You are not handing cash, you are sending a message to move money. Cryptocurrencies do the same, but without banks, using a shared, secure blockchain ledger. Pi's genius is how you earn. Download the app, tap once a day to prove you are human, and earn a little Pi. Minimal battery, minimal data, millions can participate. Daily check-ins built a massive, engaged community. Pi's long-term path focuses on utility and open mainnet. The goal is everyday payments, not just speculation. Now a Thai taxi company is testing exactly that, turning mined coins into real rides, a live experiment in the future of money. In Thailand's competitive, chaotic transport scene, one company takes a sharp turn into the future. Let us call them Pioneer Taxis, now accepting Pi as payment. Not a multinational, but a local business embedded in daily Thai life. Among the first in the country, and perhaps the world, at this scale. They are, in every sense, pioneers. Motivation, vision, opportunity, and a deep feel for their market. They saw Pi's grassroots community, global and Thai, eager for real-world use. Accepting Pi differentiates them, a smart strategic move. It signals innovation and draws media attention and curious riders. They are not waiting for the future, they are driving toward it, setting a precedent for businesses in Thailand and beyond. Thailand adopts digital fast, banking, shopping, services, so Pioneer rides the wave. Trailblazers forging a path that could become tomorrow's highway for commerce. You land in Bangkok, hail an innovative taxi, and ride to your hotel. Now it is time to pay. How does it work? It is remarkably straightforward. First, the driver calculates your fare in Thai baht. Say the trip costs 300 baht. Next, agree on the daily Pi rate set clearly by the company. For example, 1 Pi equals 100 baht, so 300 baht is 3 Pi. Open your Pi app. The driver generates a QR code with their wallet and the amount. You scan the code. Details appear for review, secure and direct. Final step, tap confirm. In seconds, the Pi transfers, both phones confirm. You just paid with a currency you helped create. No cash, no international card fees, just a seamless digital handshake. Profoundly simple, is it not? This creates a win-win. Benefits for travelers and drivers. For travelers, instant convenience, no exchanges, fewer fees. Pi transactions aim for extremely low fees so more value stays with you. For drivers, new customers, a clear edge, and modern credibility. They can hold Pi as an asset or spend it within a growing ecosystem. This is the convergence of travel and technology, a new economic layer, a shift from centralized rails to decentralized peer-to-peer payments. Imagine paying vendors worldwide, instantly, securely with minimal fees. So, would you do it? Curiosity meets caution. The risk is a single fare. The reward a glimpse of tomorrow. Perhaps you try it once. This is how adoption spreads. If taxis work, why not hotels, dining, and tickets, all from one wallet? Challenges remain: regulation, merchant adoption, and public trust. But the spark in Thailand could ignite global innovation. The way we journey and transact is evolving. The future is not just coming, we are building it, one transaction at a time.